Hi, my name's Braden Jarrett and I'm from O'Brien Real Estate. I'd like to welcome you and introduce you to 16 Boormanii Drive in Mornington. Let's go inside and take a look. Positioned on 1,205 square metres of land, this 4-bedroom family home with 3 living areas is sure to excite those looking for that extra space. Thank you for viewing the property. If you care for a private appointment, please give me a call. Would be happy to help you out. Hope to see you on Saturday.